Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best carrying cases for GoPro. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Case Logic SLRC 208 Slim Action Camera Case. Designed with consumers' needs and thoughts, the Case Logic case will accommodate one GoPro Digicam and all of the different accessories you need during your experience. It comes with numerous padded booths that make sure that your digital camera and accessories are included against bumping and scratching. The divider wall is also adjustable, allowing for customization. This permits you to carry specific sized cameras and add-ons effectively. In addition to that, this wearing case additionally comes with a zippered pocket and mesh pouches that provide you with extra space to keep diverse attachments. 2 long-lasting zippers to make sure utmost safety relax the principal compartment. What's extra? This unit comes with a waterproof construction and a deal with at the top for smooth coping with. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Shoe Small Case for GoPro. Despite its small size, you may locate the Shoe GoPro carrying case convenient to carry any place you pass. This is probably the main cause why it has emerged as a personal favorite for GoPro enthusiasts, featuring a convey deal with under CNC carabiner circle. You may be assured to get a brilliant enjoy when sporting it. The case additionally comes with an elastic mesh pocket and numerous compartments that allow you to save your accessories effectively. Another characteristic that you may love approximately this unit is the strong creation. The outside is manufactured from hard substances that make certain most efficient safety. It is also nicely padded with surprise absorbing substances to ensure that your camera and accessories effectively. At number 3, we have the CamKicks replacement case compatible with GoPro. Are you making plans to go on an outdoor trip and could want to take your GoPro camera with you? Well, you shouldn't hazard its safety via wearing it in a cost-effectively made case. The CamKicks replacement case is built to ensure that your sensitive Digicam and add-ons get the pleasant protection. It boasts of and lots interior areas that accommodate up to 2 cameras. Despite the dimensions, the case still keeps a lightweight and compact layout, making it easy to hold. At number 2, we have the Go Professional Pro Watertight Rugged Case. Whether you are on a safari, surfing or taking part in a backyard soiree, it's far paramount to hold your GoPro case. However, to ensure peace of thoughts and final comfort, you need to make sure which you have a remarkable GoPro wearing case. With this case, you'll now not simplest make sure that your GoPro Digicam and accessories are blanketed, however additionally well organized. The case is thoughtfully designed with a notable EVA foam interior that ensures that every tool is impeccably secured. Some of the alternative functions that we adore about this unit include the watertight, rugged, and strong production to make sure absolute safety as well as durability. And finally, at number 1, we have the Smatree GA700-2 with ABS materials for GoPro. The Smatree GA700-2 GoPro wearing case is crafted from dust-proof and watertight substances, permitting you to carry your GoPro Digicam wherever you cross. This carrying case comes with a double-layer bundle that offers you with more than sufficient area to carry your Digicam along with its add-ons. Other than that, this situation comes with plenty of area for floating take care of grips, chest strap, suction cups and extra. Besides being accommodative, this unit has its indoors made from high-density foam that protects your delicate devices from scuffing. What's greater, it additionally comes with multiple cubicles that hold the smaller accessories, boosting their accessibility. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this carrying cases for GoPro, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.